Make a great choice today with the 2018 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, Bose sound system, steering wheel audio controls, heated seats, remote engine start, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, backup camera, air conditioning. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.